it's west. Nope, it's south. Petrenko. I know that road. Hi, it's me again.
Where are you going?
I'm going out, but I want to show you something. Hold on a second here. If you want to be fly, like me, and mimic me, you have to have these.
And what are those?
Me new glasses.
Come closer so I can see. Those are very, very cute. And you look very studious.
Because I am. Gracias.
Where are we going?
On a trip to Never Never Land.
Especially with me, you never know.
I know.
I'm still sick. Trying to focus. I'm still sicky.
But you look great.
I love you.
Love you more than that, Joe.
We're gonna go to where?
A wine tasting downtown.
Okay.
Have some vino.
Oh, sounds good.
I know my wines, you like it. Want some snackages?
That's a cute one, Jojo. That's a cute one.
I'm extremely exhausted.
I'm extremely excited.
Everyone is tripping out. I have my
$1 million smile.
And together with two hot girls.
I have my retainers in, so I'm speaking kind of jacked up. Everybody is tripping out about the gas.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, look at that.
I told you, look, get ready.
Oh, my God.
I told you. For days. All this traffic because
It's after work.
no,
The
BS.
refineries
It's 7 o'clock right now, people.
Oh, wow.
Is it 7 o'clock or is it?
No.
Is it really?
Really?
Look at this, Ma.
I see. That's because the refineries are flooded.
No, there's nothing happening. This is, I'm telling you, this thing is happening because
This is a traffic jam?
social media, no Mom, social media said, oh, in the news,
It's the news.
said,
Fake news.
look at this.
Where are they going?
I have no clue. Home, I guess? I don't know where these people came from.
You didn't get the email? You're not on the
Big
list.
traffic jam in Texas. Everything
Still,
is big
it's
in
still
Texas.
happening.
We're only going 80 miles an hour here, guys. 80 miles an hour.
Are the windows down?
No,
Then why are you yelling?
I'm not yelling.
You're yelling.
Ma,
over here
that was
and sit
so
right
Well,
here.
yelling.
cover your freaking ear. This is the way I
I'm
speak.
not.
What do you want me to do?
No,
This is the way it
it's
is.
not the way you speak.
Yes, it is.
No,
I'm not
it's
gonna
not.
change.
Don't you
God
talk
damn
to
it.
me.
This
Damn
is
it.
it.
Ma,
Well,
you don't GD. You better ask for forgiveness.
God, give me a blessing of the day. This is you're the one that
You
yells.
stop yelling.
You're the one that yells
Stop.
because you yell at that guy at the Dunkin' Donuts.
So,
Hey,
what is
don't
happening
shit
here?
over here.
Shit, what?
Bye.
Better watch it.
Bye. I'm sorry, you were asking me? Yes, ma'am.
Me not that way. Go over there.
You're asking me, ma'am? Ooh, nice booty. Adios.
Have a great night.
You too. Thanks. He's going out of business.
No, the members committee. Yes, sir. Oh. Drunk people in
I needed Twix.
Jeff,
I did, but listen, I had fun, but there was a sad moment. So this is a serious note. Great night telling the wine tastings, meeting with great people, but we found out through social media and through the news that Twix is going out of business. So
what?
yes, you have to go get your Twix now, people. Prices are going to increase out of control. Just like gas is, get your Twix right now. I'm not even kidding.
You're a
you.
moron.
Go get your Twix. Not a moron.
After you go get your gas?
After
Wait.
my gas.
So, and tell me again, what did my mom tell you?
She said, show me to tell you, Jojo, your mom
Stop!
loves
You're messing
you.
up audio.
Show me to say, Jojo, your mom loves you.
And your name again?
Ashley.
And what do you do here?
I'm a security guard for Ally Universal
That's what I'm talking about.
at the greeter's desk, always 4 to midnight.
Boom. Don't leave me.
Aw.
Mira, look at that.
Ay, ay, ay.
That's supposed to be my family.
Aw. I'm so sorry. Oh, look.
Wait, don't leave me. Okay, wait, one more thing. And you're gonna come to Puerto Rico?
Yes.
Because you're gonna come visit my mother.
Yes, I'm gonna go visit your mom.
I love it. I will see you there. Mira, they're leaving me again. That's it. I love you. Yes, I'm gonna see you again. Okay, wait, because it's gonna close on us.
Bye.
Bye.
Keep waving. Don't stop waving. Keep waving.
Unbelievable. I can't take you fucking nowhere.
You can't take you nowhere.
Why?
You want to interview the fucking city.
Because I like to talk to everybody. Look, get in here. You can all be in here. Shut up.
Hello, Governor.
Hello. Where are we? Four? We're in the creepy freaking. Oh, Mira, look.
Alright. Oh my god.
Oh, you're leaving. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you later. Bye. Yeah, we're awesome. Bye. Love you guys.
Good morning.
Ma. She told me she loves me. You love me. No, you told the security lady.
Oh, you saw Ashley.
We talked to everybody. We talked to everybody. Did you have fun?
Yes, I love you.
What was your favorite part?
Going home.
Wait, Mom, come here. Wait, I want to see your glasses on your face. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Mom, come here because I want to see your glasses.
Oh,
Because they're really. Oh, because you try to be cute.
I'm always cute.
Wait, look. Oh yeah. Wait, look. Those glasses are on point. So model them. Just fine. Turn. Yes, ma'am. Slowly. Let me see the front, please. Who got you those glasses?
Me, huh?
Better to see you with, my dear.